That's my kitten, Carbon. And yeah, it's a little girl. She's also half tabby. And well, she's adventurous. She likes to play around. Kitty. Carbon. See, there's her face. Oh, yawns. She was just asleep, and then I picked her up and woke her up by accident. So now I'm just gonna make a quick video. First kitten video. And yeah. This is my very first kitten video. And as you can tell, she kind of likes my phone. Come here. Oh, kitty. And she's back under my bed. Okay, let's watch for her. If you can even see.